This is like an arm workout. Welcome back to Me and Your Garage. Today we are out camping in the Land Cruiser. There's been this little maintenance item that we've been looking to fix. And it has to do with this lift gate here. We like to add lighting to our camping setup here with these lights. And over time, it starts drooping down on us and it gets kind of annoying. These shock struts look like they're probably OEM from '99, so it's probably time to replace it. We got these shock strut replacements off Amazon for under 25 bucks. Links will be in the description box below. Should be a perfect fit for our Land Cruiser lift gate here and an easy repair. Just got 3 12mm nuts on each side. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's see if it is. 100% performance testing. 100% new premium components. Meet or exceed OEM specs. Huh? So one tip here for you, if you're doing this on your own and you don't want the lift gate coming down on you, is to get some tape and just tape it off down here on the other side that you're not removing so that it doesn't slip down. And there we go. Voila! High pressure, do not heat. All right, so this goes down here. I go. Okay. Okay. Beautiful, one side on. Now we're gonna do the same for the other side and should be good to go. Okay, the old and the new. Okay. Now that we've replaced the 2 shock struts, these should hold up very nicely and not droop on us when we're cooking. Seems very strong. It's like an arm workout. Oh my God, it's like hard to close. Okay, 2, 3. You can like do like. All right, that was easy peasy lemon squeezy. There's a big difference now. It lifts on its own, it's higher, and it shouldn't droop on us when we're back here cooking, cleaning, whatever we're doing, hanging out. Another easy fix for us here. And they also make these for the front for your hood. Sometimes those wear out and need to be replaced. Links in the description box down below. See you in the next one. Enjoying the view. Out with the old, in with the new. Are they OEM?